The type of ultrasound machine that I purchased is called the Butterfly IQ Plus, and it fits into the palm of your hand. This is literally the entire ultrasound unit and probe. So this unit plugs into your iPhone, and once it's plugged into the iPhone, it literally starts working right away. So you can take a bit of ultrasound gel, and you can start viewing your vessels right away. So here you can see that on the right, the circle in the middle is the carotid artery. You can see that if I go into a little bit better positioning, that the jugular vein is kind of small here. But if I look up just even a bit, you can see that it opens up pretty significantly. So just from making a small change in posture, what you'll see here, so you can see that the internal jugular vein gets smaller and smaller with the bad posture, and that it gets larger and larger if I keep a good posture and good position to my neck. So that's just one of the many tests that I do in order to confirm that the changes we're making for patients are not only symptomatically making them feel better in that moment, but they're also objectively improving the connection between the brain and the body. We're improving the blood flow, we're improving the nervous system, because right around that internal jugular vein also lies your vagus nerve, which is one of the most important nerves in your body that allows your body to heal, to rest, to digest, and it has countless other applications within your body to keep it functioning well and to keep you healthy. So we just wanted to show you that now we're doing ultrasound testing on almost all of our patients. So besides the remote curve correction appointments, for those of you who we are able to see in person, whether currently at our Charleston, South Carolina office or here in Fort Myers, Florida, we're able to perform digital motion x-ray, we're able to perform ultrasound examination, and we can combine all of those findings into a perfect treatment plan for you to improve your neck health, to improve your brain health, to get you thinking more clearly, to reduce eye pain, to reduce headaches, migraines, lightheadedness, dizziness, disorientation, loss of balance, any of these symptoms that you may have, including neck pain or stabbing pain in the neck, any different type of symptom that can come from your neck and the connection with the brain, we are able to help you. Very interesting enough, just the other day, I had a patient where she could not feel her legs correctly. It was almost like she always felt she needed massages in her feet and in her legs because there was poor circulation. Well, while we couldn't confirm it yet on ultrasound, the changes that we did improved the blood flow and also the nerve impulses from her middle of her body down to her legs. And after one visit, she said that she felt like renewed. Her legs were having more sensation. She could move around with greater ease. She was more comfortable stepping. She didn't feel like a heaviness in her step. And so we know that we are improving things like in removing inhibition on the nerves. The nerves in many of the blood vessels run right next to each other. So when you're improving one, you're often improving the other. So there's going to be so much more innovative ultrasound testing to come, and also digital motion x-ray. And just within the next week, we're going to be sharing with you a video where we show a patient in a neutral lateral position for x-ray, and then we measure his internal jugular veins. We place him in the correct position with his weights on to improve his curve, and we show you what that looks like on x-ray and also how it changes his internal jugular vein findings. So please stay in the loop with us. We really look forward to sharing this video with you next week.